If you're facing lag or hang problems on your Samsung tablet, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage, and on this page just check the storage of your tablet. Now if the storage of your tablet is low, then you will face lag or hang problems on your tablet. Now to fix this issue, just delete any data which you no longer need on your tablet to free up some space. For an example, if there is any app which you have downloaded but you're no longer using it, just delete it. Or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud or to any external drive, and you can delete them from your tablet to free up some space. Now after you've done that, the next step is on your tablet, just tap on About Tablet, and from here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. On this page, just tap on build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen pin or pattern and select OK. And after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. After that, in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Window Animation Scale. Now just tap on Window Animation Scale and set it at 0.5x. Now just do the same with Transition Animation Scale and Animator Duration Scale. Now after you set all the three options to 0.5x, now just scroll down to the top of the list, and over here you will find the option for running services. Now just tap on Running Services, and over here you will be able to see what apps are running in the background. Now if there is any app which you don't want to run in the background, just tap on the app and select Stop. Now do the same with all the apps which are running in the background. After you've done that, now for the next step, just tap on the search icon and search this. Tap on Reduce Animations. And from here, just enable the toggle for Reduce Animations and also enable Reduce Transparency and Blur. After you enable both of these options, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. Now just scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Check for New Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your tablet. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. To do that, just open the Control Center, then tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. And this is how you can fix the lag and hang problem on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.